Hello friends, I'm sharing with you about wet cough, which many of us can suffer in winter, and winter is around. So why someone will have frequent attack of winter about the wet cough? Simple. When we are eating most of the time wet product, cold, damp, moist products such as your bread, cheese, smoothies, and then banana, yogurt smoothies, and your pasta. What will happen? Then deep fried food, your burger, your cheese, your pizzas, cold drinks. That is where your system will start having more and more cold, damp, moist mucus. And when the cold environment will come up, that's where your respiratory system, which is your windpipe, will start getting more constricted and you will start having cough. And in that cough, what will happen? You will have a lot of mucus, which we will call wet cough. And in that situation, what one need to do, use such kind of product and lifestyle which can mitigate this wet, damp, moist mucus getting built in your system. And how that can happen? When you are using certain such Ayurvedic herbs like Vasa, Adatoda, Vasaka, and holy basil, cinnamon part is there, and then there is one product which we call as respiratory clear, which has a very precise herbs like glycorrhea, Vasaka, then your piperlingam and piperlongum and pipernigrum. All these, what they will do, they will help you to dry up your mucus, right, and then give you much more clear breathing rather than relying on the different kind of supplement or going to visit your medical practitioners again and again. And you can keep yourself safe, free from this wet cough if you follow Ayurveda.